to take you through this question that looks impossible to simplify, but if you follow, you'll see how easy it is to simplify. The question is that we simplify this. Now what you do, this one we start with here, it's over 1, so we find the LCM is y. If we say x over 1 plus 1 over y, LCM is y. 1 comes to y times x is xy, then plus y comes to y 1 times 1 is 1. So there we shall get this one, we shall get that is xy plus 1 all over y power m, then times is the same as times. We do the same here. We find the LCM, we do the same thing to the xy. Like I've done, minus 1 all over y power of n all over. We do the same on the numerator. You'll find this becomes xy plus 1 all over x. And this one power of m times. Now this becomes also xy minus 1 all over x power of n. Now from there, if you know that when we use the laws of indices, this is like I've taken the power outside, and therefore if I bring the power back, that means I can rearrange this to be x, y plus 1 power m, if you bring it back here, all over y power m, then times xy minus 1 all over y power over this one alone, that is power of n, and this power of n. All over, we do the same thing with the numerator. If we do the same thing with the numerator, it will be now x, y plus 1 power of m all over x power of m, then times this becomes xy minus 1 power of n all over x power n. Now what we do, we see the like terms, those with same powers, we divide by this. When we say like we say that x over y divided by maybe y all over x is the same as x all over y times the reciprocal, that is x over y. So we use the same principle here. We do this one, this will be equal to, now this is, we are dividing this one and that one separately, so we shall have x plus, that is xy, plus 1 power of m all over y power of m times, we do this, it becomes x power of m all over x plus y xy plus 1, yes, we have taken that, x plus 1 is the power of m. Then times, we do the same on this side. It is now this one which is xy minus 1 power of n all over y power of n times this one now reciprocal x power of n all over xy minus 1 power of n. Now you realize that you can now cancel this one and this one. You can also cancel this one and this one. And therefore if you cancel that, we remain with x power of m all over y power of m times x power of n all over y power of n all over y power of n. Now this is the same as if we do, which is the same as if we do this one Okay, if we do this one separate, this one on the numerator here is the same as x. X, the bases are the same. So this, if we were to write, you can write as x power m times x power n all over y power m times y power n. And we know from the laws of indices, when we multiply, if the bases are the same, we add the powers. So this becomes x power m minus n all over y power m minus n. You can leave it at that point or just make it common. That becomes x all over y, the common power, that is m minus n. So this is the simplification. This is what was required. It was very simple to simplify, but when you look at it, you could see that it is impossible. Thank you for following, and sure you subscribe so that you get more updates on these mathematics. Thank you.